I'm Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing BTS Love Yourself Answer album, and I'm pretty shocked because I know the album is supposed to be coming tomorrow, but Amazon just sent me this because I pre-ordered from Amazon, so I'm pretty shocked because I know Korea didn't even release the music yet. So fake or what? So let's see if this is fake or not. So let's get it started. So I'm gonna cut this now. I don't know, I feel like they sent me like the wrong album. Wait. Oh my gosh, no, it is Answer. Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my, you can see all the different colors. Wait, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, you can see in the camera. It's holographic. You can't see it if there's no light, but you can still see it here. That's so smart. I can't believe they sent me the real one like a day before. That's crazy. Is this legal? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna carefully open this package. Wow. Okay, it's like, what is this? It's a dent here, but you know. There's a dent everywhere. Like here. Oh. Amazon. I forgive you because you sent me a day earlier. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, okay, wait. So first it says Love Yourself. And then in the bottom it says Answer right here. And this color is beautiful. And on the back it says BTS and all the stuff. And let's see. Oh my gosh. I got a poster. Which version did I get? Oh my god! I got the version that I like. Oh my gosh, everyone. Here you go. I can't. Okay. Because you know how they have a lot of versions, and I didn't like the one with hands. I thought that was just kind of... Like, personally, I don't really like hands. So, oh my gosh. Here you go, everyone. This is crazy. Okay. Alright. Let's see who's photocopy. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got jail. Right here. For 1 second, I thought I got Jungkook, so I was like, wait, no way. Okay, yay, I got jail. Okay. And then, oh, they have the notes. Oh, right here. So this is the notes. And then, it's all in Korean. So if you don't read Korean, I'm pretty sure people post the translated version. So if you can't read Korean, you can always look at the translated version. And sorry if my eyes are puffy and my voice is kind of sounds sick, because I think I'm getting sick. So please bear with me. And yeah, let's... Oh, and there's a CD right here. And then the actual album looks like this in front. And on the back, it gives you all the track list. So I mean, this you could have seen online because they released this before. They oh, they gave me 2 CDs. Ooh, so they gave me this one. Wait, I don't want to ruin this. So they gave me this one. And then... This is... The other one said A and this said B. Right here. I can't wait to listen to this, but I'm not gonna post the music though, because I mean, I did get this before the music is actually released, so I don't want to get sued. And it says the audition for Big Hit, but you have to be a guy. Yeah, you can't audition if you're a girl, so if you're a guy, check this out. Anyway, so the album looks like this. I really want to share the whole book with you guys, but I think it's gonna be kind of hard for me to. But oh, so half of it are pictures and the other half, so these till here are the pictures, but other half are like the lyrics and who produced what and stuff. So here you go. Sorry, I don't want to open this fully because I don't want to ruin this. So I know this is probably the worst unboxing video, but I'll just show you a skim of it. If I'm moving too fast, you can always pause it. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I know that was probably the worst unboxing video ever. I've never bought an album from a K-pop group because I was never really into them. So this is basically my first unboxing album video, so I'm sorry if this was lame, but since I got it like the day before, so I just wanted to film this as soon as possible and edit this and get it out there for you guys so you can see what to expect before you guys get this package. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!